Hi, I'm Fran with Stampendous, and it's an exciting day for two reasons. It's Friday, February 7th, 2020. And first of all, I'm so excited because today we announce the winners who will be receiving all those fabulous prizes from the countdown videos. You watched, you subscribed, you commented, and you told your friends. So thank you. So keep watching as we announce the winners from each of those videos. And the crowd goes wild. Yay! Secondly, these prizes kick off my first fabulous Friday Fun Watercolor Series, Class 101. Follow along with me every Friday, and in no time at all, you will be creating your own wonderful watercolor cards to send to your family and friends. And the crowd goes wild again! Yay! And now, a drum roll for the prize winners.